Okay. Positive 7.5. Plug it in. You get negative 3. Plug it in. This is a 7.5. I was like, that's not right. Okay. Positive. And so you get 10.2. On Desmos, we'll see right now what it comes out to. But if you give me like 10, you know, some of you guys might be off by a 10th or a 100th based off. Okay, this is your vertex, but the question was, is it a maximum or minimum point? Which is it? Max or min?
Maximum.
Right, because it's concave, right? The opening is downward. So negative, what do we get? Negative 310. 1, 2, 3. Oh, not bad. Okay. So here's my vertex, negative 310. And so it is a maximum point, right? But I'm going to come over here and write it. So I just added those two to the graph. Okay, so this is then a maximum points. Okay, this is question 3. Okay, question 4 is function notation. If they're asking you for f of 2 and f of negative 6, all they're asking you to do is let x equal 2 into this. And it's up to you. If you want to use standard form, you can plug it into here, or you can choose factored form. It is your preference. Plug in the 2 in here or in here, but you're going to get the same value for this. If I want f of negative 6, you decide, do you want to use the standard form or do you want to use the factored form? It doesn't matter, so whatever you prefer. It's just you and the calculator. That's all you're doing. You're plugging it in the calculator, especially because of the decimals. Okay, that's super quick. You guys can do that. The other two are a little trickier. Okay, f of what? 3 and f of what x gives me negative 2. These are your y values, right? Remember, f of x is equal to y. So 3 is the y, negative 2 is the y. So if you guys grab your standard form and I plug in 3, and I plug in the negative 2, this is all cleanup algebra. Can you isolate the x's and find what values give you that negative 6? What values give you 3? What values of x give you negative 2? All right, you're going to use quadratic formula here. You need to take that constant and combine it. So if you're going to inverse operate, because this is your equal sign, when you jump the equal sign, you switch the sign. So negative 3. So you're going to end up with, and so this is A, B, C for you to plug into the quadratic formula. And it's going to give you your x values. Same here. Cross it over. Inverse operate, and you're going to end up and A, B, C, and plug it into your quadratic formula. Now, when you type this into Desmos, your answers will support it. Hold on, I'm finding Desmos. Okay, so I type, oh wait, I forgot, I gotta turn off the light. Hold on. Okay, I type it into Desmos. Notice, here's my, All right, here's my x, and look, there's my vertex, -3, 10.2. We got exactly that. All right, look, when is x equal, when is the y value +3? On the Desmos on the laptop, it works a little easier, but if you hold it down and I try and find when y is 3, see how I can kind of move along? All right, find 3. Hold on. All right, this is the closest. It's like going to be 1.88, 1.9. It's going to be around there. So if you guys put your finger on the red parabola and you follow it along, they give you those values. I know it's kind of grayed out, but that's what they give. Oh, you can't see. There it is. It follows all those points. So Desmos is even going to tell you when is -2. If you find the y value of -2, it's still over here. -2. It's like 3.38. Okay, so you need to plug that in. This one you guys need to set up, put in a calculator. If you're not, see what numbers you get, and then show me, because you do need to learn how to put stuff in the calculator on your own. If I do it for you, where I kind of put even in here, if you're not practicing the input in the calculator, you're lost on assessments. And they're now cutting. Okay. Okay, let me shut this off really quick.